Conestee Nature Preserve. It's a gorgeous day. We're out here picking up y'all's trash. As a note, take it with you. Cheers, baby. This is Conestee Nature Preserve. We're out here in like the marshy bit. This is on the west side of the park.
Pan.
There's a series of beaver dams upstream from here, so we're doing our best to get as much stuff as we can, but we're finding a lot more than we expected. So right here I'm digging out tire. We're about 2 hours in to cleaning up in the preserve here. Found so much garbage. Lots of nice people dropped in and said hello. Lots of tracks. Walking back over here, I cast some deer prints. Walking in the trackway, you can see there's one right about there, and then they go off this way, same way I came in, really. And I just saw a styrofoam cup. There it is. Oh god, let's get that. Ew, so gross. Almost lost my boot. Let's see how these are doing. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Ah, it's so cool. I can't wait to show Melissa. Alright. Baby, wait till you see how these deer prints came out. Wow, look how beautiful. Video. Oh, that was it. That's today's haul. We made some cool castings. You can see that I rinsed those off in the stream. Get some sun on. That one's pretty good. And we got a couple more things to do before we leave. We're gonna haul it all out here in our trusty cart. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.